Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the latest iOS device. This tutorial works for iOS 12 and up, and as you can see here I have my phone already and I'm going to show you how it's done. We are going to get a modified version of Checkra1n which jailbreaks every single iOS device, and this is Untethered. So open your browser and go to getjailbreaks.com. Once you are on getjailbreaks.com, to start with the jailbreak, tap on the Get Jailbreak Now button. This is going to start with the download of Checkra1n and then we're going to install it together. As I said, this is a modified version of Checkra1n that jailbreaks iOS 12 and up. So tap on the Get Jailbreak button and then tap on the Allow button over here. And once you do that, you need to actually close everything down and then go to your settings, and let me show you how to install Checkra1n once it has been downloaded. So open your settings and you're going to see a new tab that says Profile Downloaded over here. You need to tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you need to tap on the install button here at the right. And then again, you need to enter your passcode. And once you enter the passcode, the next step is that you need to simply go on and tap on the install button one more time. Once you tap on install again here at the bottom. And this is how you install Checkra1n to jailbreak this device. Alright, so Checkra1n has been installed. Now let me show you how to use it. Once the phone has been jailbroken, we're also gonna get Sileo, which is an unofficial app store that allows you to get tweaks, mods, and themes for your phone. Let me show you how it's done. So this is how Checkra1n is gonna look like. You need to tap on the jailbreak button over here, and that's gonna start with installing the jailbreak and installing Sileo as well, and this phone is gonna be fully jailbroken in the end. But for this jailbreak to be successfully completed, you will need to complete a very short device verification as well. You need to verify your device to get the jailbreak completed and Sileo installed as well. In my case, I have already completed the device verification before shooting the video tutorial because I didn't want this video to be very long, so this is why I decided to complete the short verification before I started making the video. But for you, it's very important to tap on the verify your device button over here, complete the device verification, and once you do, you will get the phone jailbroken and Sileo installed as well. But as I said, I have already completed this step before shooting the video tutorial, so I don't need to do that right now. And as you can see here, I got Sileo installed since I've completed the device verification already. But as I said, it's very important for you to complete the verification if you want the phone to be jailbroken.